Are you ready for a ride? Yeah.
Music makes me lose control. Alright guys, here we have Mr. Magpie. Anything you want to say for yourself? How long you been in the dirt bike game for? You're a little bit fucking small for these big wild hogs. Whoa! Fuck, boy! Hey guys, I'm Tiny, aka T-Dog, aka 2019 C grade champion. This is Seb, aka Bushman. Heard it here first. Been riding motocross for the last 6 years and making the transition into the enduro scene. Used to have a DT 175 when I was 13. Me and Seb used to hack around in the bush when we were little teenage scallywags. He had a CRF 230. And that was until the DT blew up. I started playing AFL football. Seb continued on in the enduro scene, and then life happened to both of us. So we parted ways for a little while, but inevitably our mutual love for dirt bikes and our sort of wacky personalities brought us back together. This is my drugs! Nothing wrong with me! Just get all warmed up. Do it, oosh oosh. Do it, oosh oosh.
Right there.
You look like you're going fast.
I'm a speed demon. Fire break!
Here we are again. After all these years, back together, fucking shit up on these YZs. Could you imagine if we had these dirt bikes when we were 13?
Even better. We got them when we're 30.
You heard that right. Let's ride, motherfucker!
let the arse end kick up without it wanting to. But the other times, you just gotta hit them, eh? I heard behind me, your bike was revving real hard on one hump, I thought you might have nosedived it.
Yeah, I don't know. I was just trying to get up the hill.
We're in race mode now.
Yeah. How does my backpack look?
Sensational.
Big turtleback. I got a big fucking shell on my back. Got a tripod and everything.
Do you want me to film you for a bit?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Do you reckon you got enough stuff in your backpack?
I don't know, my little straps coming a little loose. She's flapping in the breeze.
Improvisation 101. Didn't have straps on the laptop bag.
1, 0, 1.
We got it soldered.
That equals 1 on 1.
We got it sorted with a ratchet strap, boy.
Do you reckon we're a bit too close for you to kickstart your bike?
Back it up, brother.
Back it up, wait. that lady was smiling.
She was happy as.
Fuck, it's great to see people happy.
Yeah.
Especially with us.
Out there appreciate what we're doing.
Yeah,
When
yeah.
the fire breaks, keeping the vegetation down on the fire breaks. We care about forest fires, people.
We're moving the rocks around. The rocks like it. They like being moved around and that.
Should I tell the people how to drift a dirt bike?
Fresh tires. Fresh.
What you gotta do with the clutch? I see people finger bashing like that, hoping for the best. You know what? You just gotta let it out and hold it flat. See this? Your dirt bike doesn't like it.
Okay.
And you know what?
Okay, listen to him.
Neither does your missus.
Listen to what that man said right there.
What's it? Let it out.
And don't even use it when you're fucking changing through the gears, up or down.
Hold it flat.
You should be going. Should be going fast enough. You can't even put your clutch in, cause you can't even have the time for it.
Got no time. He's worried about holding on to them damn handlebars.
With your hands.
Well guys, it's been a big day out here in the bloody bush. We makeshift me some bloody straps for me bloody camel sack, aka a laptop bag. Sebsy got behind the camera, we scripted some words and we just bloody made it happen. Sebby from the TSY, T-Dog from TSY. If you don't know what that means, that's Tarnish Sebsy Yamaha. That's all you need to know about life. All you need to know. Put it there, partner. Good ride.
Fuck yeah.
Now we're fucking this camera off and we're actually gonna do some real riding. See y'all next week.